Hi everyone. In this video we're going to be talking about the health benefits of cranberries. This is Patrina and
Ronald.
Welcome to our Facebook Live. If you're watching live, please say hello in the comments below, and if you're watching on the replay and also on the replay on YouTube later, please do type in #replay. So over to you, Ronald, about health benefits of cranberries.
Yeah, as you probably can tell, there are many types of berries, right? You've got strawberries, you've got bilberries, you've got blackberries,
strawberries,
and so on. We mentioned that. You've also got we in our garden we've got raspberries, but raspberries is more juicy, and it's also more. It's got a lot more bulbs in it. But cranberries is more like a little tube, right? A little ball, right? And it's cranberries, cranberries. Now, you usually can't eat cranberries on its own because they're quite sour, right? However, probably the way you'll get cranberries is in cranberry juice. Now, because the cranberry is quite sour, they mix the cranberry with, say, strawberry juice or apple juice or apricot juice or peach juice, right? And that way it makes it more palatable. Now, why is that? It's very important that when you get a cranberry, you get a good quality one. And why are they so beneficial? Number one, women or men sometimes get what are called urinary tract infections, which is quite common these days, especially if you're not eating properly. And the idea behind it is that you take about 1 cup of cranberry juice in the morning and at night, and that prevents and heals the problems with the urinary tract, right? And that can be quite painful and quite annoying. So if you take cranberry juice, say if you've got that sort of problem or you've got a tendency to have that sort of problem, the way to heal it is that 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. So that's urinary tract infection, number one. Number two, it is loaded with vitamin C. I mean loaded with vitamin C, which is a brilliant antioxidant for keeping your skin in good shape, right? Vitamin C is good for the immune system. It's good for building cells, holding cells together. It's good for anti-aging. It's good for generally good conditions of all your cells in your body and your muscles, right? So very good. You've also got K1, which is good for blood clotting in cranberry juice. You've also got manganese. Now, manganese is extremely good for hay fever. So in about 2 or 3 months' time, when hay fever season starts to come, if you're about a month before, about January or February, start drinking cranberry juice. It'll help you with the manganese content of it, and that'll get your hay fever under control. Right? And throughout the whole of the hay fever season, 2 or 3 months, March, April, May, June, and so on, just drink cranberry juice on a daily basis, and it'll keep your hay fever at bay. All right. The other thing it's good for is that you need per day, you need between 2 and 3 liters of water, right? So if you drink 2 or 3 cups of cranberry juice, it contributes towards the liquid assets you need for your body, right? In summertime, you need a minimum of 3 liters a day of liquid. And I'm not talking about alcohol, I'm talking about proper cranberry juice or coconut water and strawberry juice and so on and so on, right? Now, in addition to all that, when you take cranberry juice on a regular basis, it does help also with arthritis, right? Because it is an antioxidant that is an anti-arthritic. And arthritic, it means the joints are painful, right? So if you drink a mixture of cranberry juice, say in the morning, and you mix, say, raspberry juice at night, it does help you with your arthritis, all right? So let's get your feedback on it and see what you think.
Okay, thanks so much, Ronald, for sharing that. And hi, AJ, it's good to see you here as well. So if you're just also concerned about your health, we've got this ebook, this guide here on the best ways to treat diabetes. And when you access it, I'll share the link in the comments below. You'll actually also get access to our 2 diabetes courses. You may not have diabetes, but obviously there may be someone you know who may be diabetic or pre-diabetic. Yeah. So this is a good book to read as well. So do download that, do request for it and download it. So we look forward to seeing you next Wednesday.
Yep.
and on our new time as well at 12:45 p.m. for this year. Okay, take care then. Have a
Okay.
great week. Bye-bye.
Bye.